Open the DoLynk Care app and then press Sites. Press Add Site. Fill in your customer's details along with their DMSS account email address. And press the arrow. Change the date to week and replicate the settings from this video. Press back in the top left corner. Press OK when done. Press on the newly added site. Press Add Device. Scan the QR code from the back of the alarm hub. Verify the serial number that has been scanned and then press Next. Tap anywhere on the screen. To power up the hub, press the power button for 2 seconds, then wait for the LED to flash green. Flip the dip switch to AP, wait for the LED to flash blue, and then press Next. If the light flashes yellow, this is because the back of the hub is open. Press Join when prompted to connect the hub's AP. If this fails, manually connect to the hub by going into your phone's Wi-Fi configuration. Input a password for your hub and confirm it. Input your email address and press Next when done. Tick Cloud Access and Auto Check and then press OK. Press Next. Choose the network you would like to connect the hub to. Input the password to your Wi-Fi network and press Next. On the back of the hub, flip the dip switch from AP to STA and press Next. Wait until the hub connects to your chosen Wi-Fi network. Input a name for the alarm hub and press Save. Select the time zone and switch on DST and press the arrow button next to DST time. Change the date to week and replicate the settings from this video. Press the back button on the top left corner when done. Press Done. The alarm hub has now been added.